In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can check your blood pressure without a machine. While it's always best to use a blood pressure monitor for an accurate reading, there are some methods you can try at home to get a rough idea of your blood pressure when you don't have access to one. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about checking your pulse. Your pulse is a great indicator of how your heart is functioning. You can check your pulse by placing your index and middle fingers on your wrist, just below the base of your thumb, or on the side of your neck. Once you feel the pulse, count the number of beats in 15 seconds, and then multiply that number by 4 to get your beats per minute, BPM. A normal resting heart rate for adults is typically between 60 and 100 beats per minute. If your pulse feels unusually fast, irregular, or very strong, it could be a sign of high blood pressure or other heart-related issues. A weak or faint pulse could indicate low blood pressure, especially if you're feeling dizzy or lightheaded. While checking your pulse can give you an idea of your heart's rhythm, it won't provide an exact blood pressure measurement. It's just a rough indicator that something might be off. Next, let's talk about a simple test you can do called the stand-up test. This method helps identify low blood pressure or hypotension. To perform the test, sit down for a few minutes, then stand up quickly. Pay attention to how you feel. If you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or faint when standing up, it could be a sign that your blood pressure is too low. This happens because your body struggles to adjust the blood flow when you change positions, leading to a temporary drop in blood pressure. Another thing to consider is how your body feels overall. Symptoms like headaches, shortness of breath, dizziness, or blurred vision can be signs of high blood pressure. However, keep in mind that high blood pressure is often called the silent killer because many people don't feel symptoms at all, even when their blood pressure is dangerously high. That's why it's essential to monitor your blood pressure regularly with proper equipment. Although these methods can give you an idea of whether your blood pressure may be high or low, they're not as accurate as using a blood pressure monitor. If you have concerns about your blood pressure, the best course of action is to consult with a healthcare professional for an accurate reading. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more health tips. Leave a comment below if you've tried any of these methods and let us know how they worked for you. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.